Alright, this video is for all my tech guys and gals out there who have some tight shoulders and upper back and need a little relief. Okay, so we're going to go through a few demos. Follow along with me. We're going to start with what's called Gunslingers. So from the sides you can see, we're going to get nice and tall. We're going to go from the shoulder blades and the arms. We're going to reach those forward as much as we can, reaching our back backwards away from the hands. Exhaling into the end, we'll hold it here for a few seconds. And then we're going to squeeze the blades back, pulling the elbows back, making a nice proud chest. Again, exhaling in the back position here. And then we'll go back into the front. Nice big reach. Again, exhaling into the front, inhaling through the middle, and exhaling into the back position. And we'll get 3 more of these reps. Very nice. Now, on to the next exercise. We're going to be doing some nice big arm circles. So we're going to reach one hand out front, the other hand's going to reach out back. Now we want to keep reaching the hands in both directions as we're going in these big circles. So we're going to start by going in the forward, home gym. Okay, we're going to start by going in the forward direction. Again, constantly reaching both hands in both directions, allowing the torso to rotate to allow the arms to stay straight. And having a nice breathing rhythm, again, exhaling through whatever feels like work. We'll get 2 more in this direction. And then we're going to pause, and now we're going to reverse. And we'll go backwards. Now, as we go backwards, you're going to feel like your low back wants to arch. So I'm going to have you guys squeeze your abs so you can't allow that to happen. It's going to feel a little tighter, a little stiffer, but that's okay. You're going to get better work into the shoulders. And again, we get 2 more here. And relax down and shake that out. Okay? Now, we're going to hands out to the side. Let's turn the palms up. Okay? We're going to start with the right shoulder. We're going to pull the right blade and the right shoulder up. And then we're going to rotate it forward. Try to get your palm facing up to the ceiling. And then we're going to rotate it back and pull it down. Other side comes up. Rotate it forward. Pull it back, rotate it down. Back to the first side. Again, exhaling into the end, inhaling through the middle, exhale into the end. Again, we get about 5 of these going each way. Very nice. Again, always making sure you exhale through the work. Last one each way. Very nice. Shake that out. Okay. Now we're going to get down into the elbows a little bit. Okay. So we're going to pull the hands up like so. We're going to go point the thumbs back, point the thumbs out, and we're going to press the hands out as we kind of keep the elbows forward. Thumbs will spin back in, pointing over the shoulders, keeping the thumbs out as you press the hands out, rotating back in. Again, the goal is to try to keep the elbows facing in one direction. Try not to let them go too far out or too far forward. That way you'll feel a lot of work being done through the back of the shoulder to open that up. We'll get 1 more in this direction. We're going to pause with the thumbs back over the shoulders, and then we're going to reverse. We're going to push them back forward, spin the thumbs out, and then pull them out as we finish that circle. Again, always exhaling through the work. As we're moving the hands back, again, make sure we're clamping down on our abs so that our back doesn't arch too much. Last rep here. And relax. Shake it out. Okay. Back up into the neck now. All right. We're going to get some nice big neck circles. We're going to start by, again, getting nice and tall. We're going to leave the hands on the sides of the legs. we're going to pull the chin down to the chest. From here, we're just going to rotate the chin towards the right shoulder. From there, we're going to pull the right ear behind the right shoulder. Chin's going to come all the way up. We're going to come around to the left shoulder and then pull the chin down to the left portion of the chest. Coming back through the middle. Again, exhaling through whatever feels like work. Pulling the right ear back. Again, moving nice and slow through these. Really feeling out the neck, seeing where you're tight. We'll get one more rep in this direction. And then we'll pause with our chin in the middle of the chest, and then we're going to go back to the left first. So rotate the chin to the left shoulder, pull the left ear back behind the left shoulder, chin all the way up, and around to the right side, and chin down to the chest. Back through to the left shoulder, ear back, chin up, right ear back, chin down, last pass. As we go to the left side, one more time. Chin back down. And then come on up, stand nice and tall, shake that out. There we go, guys. Enjoy. Let me press stop there.